Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking in simple shapes so proportions read clearly. Draw an almond or circle for the eye and a horizontal guideline for the lip line. Once placed, refine the eyelid folds and indicate the cupid's bow lightly. This gives you construction to build on. Make sure to check spacing. The eye width versus nose width determines alignment, and keep your lines faint so you can erase and adjust without muddying the drawing. Now you add structure. Refine eyelids and draw the iris with a dark pupil, leaving a clear highlight to show light direction. Add lashes sparingly where needed. For lips, sketch the upper lip's peak and the lower lip's rounded mass, then mark the mouth corners and subtle centerline. Once done, use soft cross-contour strokes to suggest roundness. This is why volume matters. Flat outlines look lifeless, while contouring gives believable form and depth. You finish by building tone and texture. Layer soft shadows under the brow and on the inner eye corner, and create a gentle gradient on the lower lip to form volume. Once shaded, add crisp accents, a bright highlight on the eye, faint vertical lines on the lips, to sell realism. If proportions look off, make small adjustments rather than overworking. And one key troubleshooting tip: soften any heavy lines with a tissue or kneaded eraser to restore depth without losing form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.